I'm going to show you how to get a fun, sun-kissed look with a splash of freckles just in time for Coachella. I start off by brushing up my brows with the Tweezerman brow and lash brush and trim any hairs outside my natural brow shape using the shaping scissors. Cleaning up any unwanted hairs using the Tweezerman Slant tweezers. For depth and dimension, I apply a contour cream along my cheekbones, outer eye area, along my hairline, and under my jawline. Using the Tweezerman shaping brow brush and contour cream, I make two straight parallel clean lines along my nose and lightly underneath to contour. I then soften the contour cream on the outer corners of the eyes into the lid crease using the same brush. With the Tweezerman flat brow brush and spoolie, I highlight my nose, between the brows, under the eyes, and the corners of my mouth. Apply concealer and blend. Using warm bronze cream to go over the cheekbones and over the center of the eyelids to give my face a natural sun-kissed warmth. Then I apply blush just above the cheekbones and across my nose. With the flat brow brush and spoolie and brown powder, I fill in any sparse areas of my brows with precise hair-like strokes and then use the spoolie to brush through and blend. I use a combination of the bronze cream and blush to apply over the lids and along the lash line with the Tweezerman shaping brow brush. I curl my lashes in a pulsing motion with the Tweezerman ProCurl eyelash curler specifically for round eyes. Look at that curl. Applying mascara, then for perfect separation and definition, I brush through with the Tweezerman folding eyelash comb. I line my lips with a nude pink liner, pressing into my lips with the tip of my finger to blend. Using a medium brown liquid brow pen, I add freckle-like dots to my upper cheeks and middle of my nose. The placement should be where the sun naturally hits. Lightly press into my skin for a more natural appearance. Then layer again. It's always a good idea to use a few colors, as freckles are never just one color. Finishing off with a sheer peach gloss for shine.